Imagine having a worker who never sleeps, never complains, and never stops learning. That worker is here, and it's made of code, not flesh and blood. AI agents are quietly becoming the backbone of modern business operations. They work behind the scenes, doing everything from answering customer questions to writing reports and booking meetings. They don't need coffee breaks, health insurance, or vacation days. And unlike human employees, they don't expect promotions or raises. At first glance, this seems like the perfect solution for companies chasing speed and efficiency. But the rise of AI agents also signals a deep transformation in how the world works and who gets left behind. These agents are more than just chatbots. They're built to think, plan, and execute tasks with minimal human help. A single AI agent can now do the work of entire teams. Businesses are starting to notice, and the shift is already underway. From startups to tech giants, companies are cutting costs by handing repetitive tasks to tireless AI systems. These systems never log off, and they learn more the longer they run. Projects like AutoGPT and Google's Astra are showing us where this is headed. AI agents are becoming goal-driven, capable of adapting, collaborating, and even solving complex problems on their own. They don't just react, they take initiative, and that's changing everything. In industries like marketing, finance, logistics, and even law, AI agents are replacing middle layers of human labor. The result is faster output, but also growing uncertainty about the future of work. The economic appeal is undeniable, but the social consequences are still unfolding. If machines can do our jobs faster and cheaper, what happens to the people doing them now? That question is no longer theoretical. AI agents don't just eliminate jobs, they shift power. The companies that own and train these systems are gaining a massive advantage over those that don't. At the same time, workers are being pushed to adapt or be left behind, and not everyone can catch up at the same pace. Governments are scrambling to understand how to regulate this change, but the technology is moving faster than the policies that aim to contain it. These agents don't ask for rights, but should they be taxed like workers if they're taking human roles? As automation spreads, we risk widening the gap between the wealthy few and the working majority. AI agents may be efficient, but they can't fix inequality. They also raise concerns about transparency. When decisions are made by machines, who takes responsibility if something goes wrong? Despite all this, the momentum behind AI agents is accelerating. Companies want to stay competitive, and these digital workers offer a clear edge. It's easy to celebrate their productivity, but we also need to ask what kind of future we're building with them. Will we use AI agents to free people from boring, repetitive work, or to replace them entirely? The difference depends on the choices we make right now. This isn't just about software. It's about the future of labor, value, and human identity in a world where machines never rest. The AI agent doesn't sleep, doesn't strike, and never asks for a raise. But maybe we should be asking what price we're really paying. So, what's your take? Is this the beginning of a smarter future or a silent shift that could reshape society before we're ready? Drop a comment and join the conversation. And if you want more deep dives like this, don't forget to subscribe for future insights.